And it's cleaning
One of the
costs.
things about a lot of these businesses that we're in, right? And this is true for the concrete coatings business for sure, right? It's also true for the bath business, and in some cases it's true for sure in the roofing business and the window business to some degree, is that a lot of the lead time in business is really based on operational inefficiencies inside of an organization. In other words, if I'm in the concrete coatings business, right? Where is my coatings guy? So how long does it take you to get product?
We stock it.
You stock it, okay. So if somebody buys a coating job today from you, how long before that you actually install it when you're busy?
Busy 6 weeks.
Okay, so what he said, and now you run a great business, by the way, to be clear. Okay, he's got a big business, a great business, very well-run business. He stocks the concrete coatings material, right? And when he's busy, he has a lead time of 6 weeks. The truth is, do you have to pull permits on those jobs? No permits, right? So the 6 weeks, we would call that operational inefficiency, right? So we say, how do we get that from 6 weeks to 3 days? How do we take that lead time and just smush it down to next to nothing? You know, look, we went through this with our bath business, that we found that when we were scaling when I was scaling my Tundraland business, the number one complaint I got was we were terrible communicators. It was the number one complaint we had. And I would throw bodies at it, I would throw call center scripts at it, I would throw cadences, and I still got that complaint. And what I realized is what people wanted is they wanted their installation date. Once they had that, we didn't need to talk to them again. So we came up with a model that how do we sell it today and install it next week? And how do we give every customer an exact installation date the moment they buy? Operational excellence is more scalable. When we think about our business and we think about our lead time, and I'm not pulling you out aside, this is everybody in this room, myself included, by the way. When we think about our lead time, we have to say, okay, how much of that is really because of the manufacturer, but how much is it because it takes us 5 days to do a remeasure, or it takes us how many days about it, all this mission, and before you know it, this business makes the most amount of money when your point of sale and point of installations are really close to each other. And everything beyond that requires more cash. Something to think about.